Once upon a time, there lived a charming child named Peter. Peter's unique ability was to travel to a fantastic world called Dreamland whenever he fell asleep. One night, as Peter lay down in his bed and drifted into slumber, he woke up to find himself in a vast forest filled with vibrant flowers. He was in the marvelous Dreamland. Here he had interesting friends, a blue-furred rabbit, a talking bird, and a fairy who emitted colorful lights when she smiled. Peter always had enjoyable times in this world full of friendships. However, one day things started to go awry in Dreamland. Colors faded, flowers wilted, and animals became sad. Peter became concerned witnessing this. His friends tried to help, but the problem seemed unsolvable. Observing this, Peter determinedly decided to embark on an adventure to solve the issue. Firstly, he ventured into the depths of the magical forest. To overcome the challenges that appeared, he sought the help of his friends. The speed of the blue-furred rabbit, the flying ability of the talking bird, and the magical powers of the fairy princess helped Peter overcome the obstacles he faced. Yet the most challenging part was yet to come. Inside the dark forest, they saw a massive door. Behind the door, they felt there was a mysterious place where they could find the source of the problem. Summoning his courage, Peter opened the door. Behind the door was a magical crystal, the source of all colors and beauty. However, the crystal had darkened and faded. Peter gathered his courage and approached the crystal. When he placed his hands on it, he felt a surge of energy. This wave revitalized everything in Dreamland. Peter joyfully returned to his friends. Dreamland had regained its former liveliness. Peter and his friends danced and sang together, celebrating and turning Dreamland into a place full of love. After Peter's success in this grand adventure, he began having happier dreams every night. Everything was now in order in Dreamland, and Peter enjoyed pleasant times with his friends in this unique world. And the great adventure Peter had in Dreamland was remembered for a long time.